Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the watch and removing the strap. This prevents accidental circuits. Once done, place the device on an ESD mat and use a Phillips #00 and nylon pry tool to open seams. You should inspect and photograph screw positions and connectors as you go so you can reassemble accurately. Take note of corrosion, lifted traces, or swollen battery cells, because identifying these now saves time later in the repair process. You'll next diagnose the fault by measuring battery voltage and continuity on flex cables. That tells you whether to replace the battery, display, or a board component. If a component is replaceable, use a controlled heat station around 260 degrees Celsius and fine-tip soldering to desolder and swap parts. Make sure to protect nearby components with Kapton tape and verify connectors seat firmly. Once parts are replaced, test basic function before sealing the case to catch mistakes early. You finish by reinstalling screws in the documented order and reconnecting every flex cable. Sealing improperly causes intermittent failures. After reassembly, run a complete functional test: touchscreen responsiveness, sensors, charging behavior, and Bluetooth pairing. If something fails, the key troubleshooting tip is to reopen and recheck every connector for compression or contamination. Then clean corroded pads with 90% plus isopropyl and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.